So Andrew is doing GABOON ebony with a Janka of 3080 ish with toggle drill.
Just remember to keep tension on both. So each one is a pull. There's no push. It's all pull.
That's it.
That's it. Go the distance. Take it easy. Breathe.
Use your back. Use your back.
Breathe. 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 Breathe in. Okay. Sprint. Just go. Go. Go.
Give it all
go.
you got. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Go. Go. Go. Keep going. Go.
It has to be there.
Keep going. Keep going. Go.
Keep going. Go. Go. Go.
Oh, look at it. It's blowing already.
There's at least 15.
There's about 65 poles. Okay, I'm gonna go behind.
So Andrew got GABOON ebony toggle drill at 1642, and the tribe is saved.
So Marcel is doing toggle drill with GABOON ebony with the Janka of 3080. And you're striking hard and striking fast.
No mercy.
No mercy.
Quiet.
He was just going for one coal.
I have two, but
And he
One
has
try,
to.
one call.
one try on call.
Stop wasting resources.
This is the fire dojo way.
So at time
It is
16:45.
16:45. Marcel got GABOON ebony with the Janka of 3080, and he saved the tribe.
Have you ever tried?
On Saturday, January 20th.
You're going to do that.
All right, so Andrew is trying Mathias ebony, Diospyros celebica, I think, with a Janka of 3,220-ish toggle drill on Saturday the 28th of January. Saturday.
So we don't want to use your back.
Did you want to use the crutch, or are you gonna just? Take your time. No rush. No stress. Nice and long. Rotations. Oh, look at that. So the potential of the toggle drill is that you should be able to get any wood in the world that qualifies to light into a coal. Nice and easy, nice and easy, nice and easy. Go, 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 go.
I'm sure there's a couple.
I'm sure there's probably.
Want to blow on it?
Pick it up. There we go. So this box is made out of 2x4s of Douglas fir. That never gets old. Look at that coal. So at 1714. 1714, Andrew saved the planet by getting a coal with Macassar ebony with Taladro. Well done. Top quality. So Marcel's gonna save the universe with Macassar ebony, Diospyros celebica, with a Janka of approximately 3,220-ish with Taladro on the 28th of January, Saturday, 2023. Go, go, go.
It's right there.
It's right there. Look at that. Easy there. Yeah.
Nice.
Macassar ebony.
Macassar ebony at 1718.
What you need, buddy?
Marcel saved the galaxy.
Flathead.
Go ahead. So Andrew's going to try pink ivory. Pink ivory, Berkemia zahari, I think. 3,230-ish Janka with Taladro on Saturday the 28th of January 2023 to save the galaxy.
Man, that smells good. Like cherries or
wow.
something.
Keep going.
Go, 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 go.
It has to be there.
Oh, wow. Go anyway, go anyway. Go, go.
Just for
Yeah,
fun.
go, go. Alright.
Forget the energy variable.
I know, I forget. Keep blowing, keep blowing. Blow right through it. There it is. See the glow. It's got to glow. There's the glow.
It's funny, the flakes are what's catching on fire.
So it.
See them?
1727.
Yeah.
Andrew saved the galaxy with pink ivory. Taladro.
Alright.
So Marcel is doing pink ivory, Taladro.
Less pressure, less pressure.
Berkemia zahari.
So good.
Janka-ish, 3,230-ish.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Saturday, January 28th,
A
2023.
little bit more. There we go. A little less.
Oh,
There's
look at
a
it,
bowl
it's
here.
way over there. It flung out.
Yep.
Ate it.
Let's see.
Okay.
Could you move? Cheers.
No, no, no.
Well, it's glowing.
There you go. Yeah. Very good. So at I gotta widen that. 1730. Marcel Pink Ivory got a coal Talgadrill.
We're trying to pay attention to the base to see if it moves on us.
So Andrew is trying Suriname ironwood, Latin name Bocoa prosensis, with a junk of 3,260-ish with Talgadrill on Saturday, January 28th, 2023.
Okay.
What's up?
Or you're getting the most of it?
I was just watching the stream. Ready? Let's go.
Everyone's gonna want a toggle box in their home. Yeah, baby, yeah! Kaplop! Go, 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 go! Don't stop, go! Nice and easy, nice and easy. Just keep going. Whole cord, whole cord. Use the whole cord. He's gotta have it.
Yeah, there's a huge. I didn't want to say anything.
Suriname ironwood, ladies and gentlemen, out there in YouTube land or wherever you're watching. Janka 3,260-ish. It's in there. It's in there. It's trapped inside.
Looks like a smoking cat poop.
I was just gonna say it's like
Come on, Andrew, light the cat poop on fire. He needs to
he can't
glow.
breathe.
He needs to
He's
glow.
gotta breathe.
Cat poop needs to glow.
It's radioactive. Radioactive cat poop. Just a little bit. Come on. It's gotta be in there somewhere.
Glow while laughing.
That is too
There
much.
it is. There it is. Glowing cat poop. Suriname ironwood, aka glowing cat
There it
poop.
is. Very nice.
Well done.
So at, we'll say 2 minutes ago, 1736.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. There we go. Right.
I think it worked. I was getting dizzy from blowing.
Andrew saved the galaxy at 1736 with Suriname ironwood Talgadrill.